Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, I want to start giving out the next assignment. So, this is a brief description, and I'll probably give out some more advice as we move along. But the next one will be building your own Unity game, learning Unity on the fly, following this tutorial that you see right here. I just wanted to give you a few notes for when you move ahead and start the tutorial. You'll want to have a mouse if if you have one around, like a keyboard mouse. It'll be easier to maneuver around the screen, the Unity screen, when you have a mouse. And also, if you do have another desktop, like a external desktop monitor, that might be good too. Just have a bigger screen so you don't have to kind of squeeze the YouTube screen and the Unity window on one monitor. Anyways, if not, I'm sure you'll be able to make it work. Maybe you could try a tablet too. Tablet would be good too. That was one note. And during the video, he's gonna ask you like some questions, or he's gonna tell you to. Hey, can you hear me now? Nice. So during the video, I will start playing it a little bit so I can get to that part. They're going to tell you to make a change to this value right here. This is called the class name. So you know that because you have the class, I guess, identifier. And this will be the class name. And the class name should always be the same as the file name. And I think for him, it was different. But for you, it should be the same when you create the file within Unity. And he'll show you how to do that. That was my other notes. Also, while you're doing this tutorial, you might run into some things that you don't understand right away. He'll break it down for you a little bit, but not too much in depth in this first video. In the second video, he'll go a bit more in depth, and then after that, we will break it down together. I'll give you guys a little bit more context. But this was just a learning experience because you're learning on the fly. You get to actually see the code working. So if you do run into something that you don't understand and it's kind of bugging you a little bit, feel free to do some research. I'll provide some resources, but you can also just type in the thing that you're having an issue with into Google and you'll find something. But also keep in mind you can go to the following. Let's see, I think Unity manual. Yeah, Unity user manual. And let's say you're having a question about colliders. You can just type that into the search bar. And I'll pause while it loads. So this is what you'll end up seeing when you search collider in there. I think the right name for it would be like box collider, sphere collider, because I think collider references 2D. But anyways, now you know. So you can go to Unity manual to do a quick search. I mean, it takes a little while, maybe a minute. Or you can also go to Unity API, and let's search it again. Unity API, and it'll take you to Unity Scripting API, and it kind of just it shows you more of, I guess, code references type stuff. You could play around with this. I feel like it's not as easy to navigate, but feel free just to use the search and see. This will populate, and it kind of populates the actual, like the collision object and that object's properties or its commands or variables. Anyways, there you go. Let me know if you all need some more help. I'll give you some more marching orders once once we get a little bit further.